What's up, y'all? This is Vincanity, and welcome to another day of breaking training. Last week in my beginner online breaking class, we worked on doing the basic turtle freeze and also cricket freeze. Now, both of these steps are an important part of your breaking foundation. Now, later on this month, we are going to be learning about how to do a move called the turtle, right? Where you're just spinning around like this. This is a pretty advanced move, especially if you're a beginner. So today, I wanted to share some training that'll help you get the turtle freeze and also the cricket freeze, as well as eventually learn how to do turtles, all right? So without further ado, let's get to training. Alright, y'all, so we're going to be doing this training in 3 different ways: a easy, intermediate, and difficult way. If any of these seems too difficult for you, stick with the easy one, alright? That's what's going to help you really get this down. And once you feel comfortable, then move up to the harder level. Okay, we're going to start off in this position, in our turtle position. And we basically are going to transition from going from cricket back to here, to cricket, back to here. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, you could watch one of my videos on the cricket or turtle position, or you could hop into my beginner breaking class and learn it there. All right, we're gonna go from here, transition, and transition. Boom, 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 boom. The first way we're gonna do this is actually pretty simple, right? So we're just gonna stay on our knees. We're gonna put some weight onto our arms, just like this. So right now our knees are like our training wheels, okay? And we're basically gonna lean out and put this arm out here, and go back. We have to shift our weight and go back. Shift our weight and go back, okay? So we go 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. All right, everyone relax. Let your legs relax, let your arms relax. Get comfortable, okay? So to take this a notch up, we're not gonna go too crazy, but we're just simply gonna lift our knees off the ground. So we're gonna be like in a push-up position, well, from our turtle position, right? The main thing that you're gonna find is when you're in here, you actually have to really work on shifting your weight, right? When we're on our knees, it's only a slight shift, but you could essentially just do this, right? So what we really gotta work on this time is shifting our weight while we're in our push-up position, okay? Let's give it a try, ready? Starting position just like this, and we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, nice job, nice job. All right, everyone relax a little bit. And if you did both of these, I'm sure you found that that one is actually a lot harder than doing it with your knees, right? So it's a big step, but it's also an important step. So make sure you get that down before moving on to the hardest one, which is gonna be with your feet off the ground. Now, because this is the hardest one, let's not go all the way to 10 or 20 if we're counting individually. Let's just do a little bit at a time. Let's try to shoot for 10, but if we don't make it all the way to 10, just put your feet down and keep it going all the way till you get to 10. All right, let's try it. Starting position and turtle position with your feet off the ground. And we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we did 10 total. We now gotta do another 10. We gotta go all the way to 20. We gotta finish strong. And again, at any point, if it feels too overwhelming, your wrists are gonna give out, your stomach's gonna give out, your legs are gonna give out, put your feet on the ground, put your knees on the ground to help you finish up that last set. It's better to do it with good form than to, you know, crash and burn. Okay, last one. Ready? Starting position with our turtle freeze, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. Nice job, y'all. So make sure you get comfortable with this drill. Get comfortable with this before our turtle workshop at the end of this month. I want you to be able to do this at least a couple times, no problem, right? If your knees are on the ground, that's fine. If your feet are on the ground, that's fine, okay? These are stepping stones for you to eventually get to your end goal, okay? So don't feel bad if you use them. It's necessary, right? Good form is better than crashing and burning every single time, okay? Hope y'all are doing well, and if you need extra help with your breaking, make sure you hop into my beginner or intermediate online breaking classes by clicking the link below. You could also support by going to my online store and purchasing some of my merch. I got lots of different designs on there. I got some new stuff that I think only a number of people have so far. So hop in there, purchase a shirt, sweater, whatever you need. Lastly, the easiest way to show your support is by pressing like, leaving me a comment about what you want to see next, and also pressing subscribe. All right, hope you're having a wonderful week. I'll catch y'all soon. Peace.